Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Valentine scoop marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever you prefer. The colors that I'll be using today are from a couple of different brands. The red is Renee from Zoya, and the purple is also from Zoya. This is Landon. And then the white, which I'll also be using as my base color, is Orly White Tips. So for this scoop marble, I have a plastic lid that I'll be applying the polish on. I've got an orange stick to do the initial swirl and a kind of medium-sized flat brush that I'll be doing the scooping with. I'm going to start out with several lines of the white so that I can kind of get that applied without worrying about getting a dirty brush back in the bottle if I have the other colors out yet. So I'm going to make these a little bit on the longer side so that I can do probably 2 to 3 nails on a single pool of polish. So there's the white. Then I'm going to add in the red and purple in the gaps that I left behind. So add in some red and add in some purple. Then with the orange stick, I'm going to go ahead and give that kind of a moderate swirling. And then I'm going to start scooping it up and swirling it onto my nails. Carefully. And if you get a little messy, of course you can clean up afterwards and just continue scooping. can use your orange stick on any overflow or flooding around your sidewalls as you go, and then once you're done, you can use your normal cleanup brush on what's left. Finally, we're going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. When I first sat down to do it, I wasn't that excited because my first round of testing hadn't been completely successful, but then in my second round of testing, I added in the purple, and I just love how it all came together. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, including that testing, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.